Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wednesday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. Well, today is the morning after, and we got election results a lot sooner than people were expecting, and that's caused markets around the world to make a complete U-turn. It doesn't really matter what you're looking at this morning. If you're looking at currencies, the U.S. dollar index is higher this morning, putting downward pressure on currencies such as the Canadian dollar. We've got bonds, which moved up yesterday. They're down in the pre-market this morning, putting upward pressure on bond yields. Then looking at crude oil was up yesterday. It's down in the pre-market this morning. Canadian energy stocks are still on a sell signal. U.S. energy stocks came back yesterday. We may see some downward pressure on U.S. energy stocks today. We'll just have to wait and see how that turns out. Now, the price of gold is currently down $40, and if it holds that, then that would generate a new daily sell signal for the price of gold. Joining gold stocks on both sides of the border already on a sell signal, so there's the GDX and the XGD. The price of silver is coming into Wednesday already on a sell signal. Silver miners already on a sell signal, so no change there. Now, Bitcoin's in the news this morning. It's popping. It's coming into Wednesday on a sell signal. And a lot of the Bitcoin-related stocks are currently on sell signals, such as Coinbase. Hut 8 is still holding a buy signal here, and of course, it's going to move up today with the price of Bitcoin. Mara and MicroStrategy are on sell signals. Mara's been on a sell signal for a few days now, while MicroStrategy ended Monday on a sell signal, came back on Tuesday, and will probably end Wednesday on a new buy signal. Now, looking at the major stock index futures, and this image was created back at 6:30 in the morning, but the numbers really haven't changed much. So looking for a lot of short covering this morning. We'll have to wait and see if there's going to be follow through, but all the markets around the world are reversing and looking like this morning. So there's the TSX 60, still trading within Thursday's range, but that's going to change today. There's the Dow trading above Thursday's range back in the channel. Similar situation for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. So it looks like all of those are going to probably end today on a buy signal. And yesterday we saw a buy signal from the Russell 2000 up nearly 2%. So it was the Russell 2000 really leading the markets higher on Tuesday and back on a buy signal already. Now, we'll finish off today's presentation looking at the Magnificent Eight. I've got through most of the emails this morning, but more are still coming in, so I'd like to handle those before the market opens. The ETF traded up to the upper trend line yesterday. It looks like it's going to end today on a buy signal. Not thinking that Apple's going to generate a buy signal today. Looking for a close above $230.39. Looking at Amazon still hitting 200, closed at $199.50 yesterday. So you can see the next two targets are 206.25 and then 212.50. We may take a run at those today. Alphabet still on a buy signal. That would change on Wednesday with a close below $168.70. There we've got Meta trading back in the channel, looking for a close on Wednesday above $582.82. For Microsoft, we're looking for a close on Wednesday above $423.53. There's NVIDIA trading up to the upper channel line yesterday. It should end today on a buy signal. And then looking at Shopify on both sides of the border. In the U.S., we're looking for a close above $80.67. On the TSX, we're looking for a close above $111.91. Then Tesla was up yesterday. It is up sharply in the pre-market this morning, so Tesla is definitely going to end Wednesday on a buy signal. And of course, Trump has talked about Elon Musk having a role in the new government starting in January, so we'll have to see how that works out. Then we've got Taiwan Semiconductor trading up to the upper channel line yesterday, so a close above $197.95 would give us a buy signal on Wednesday. Okay, folks, that's all I wanted to cover this morning. Really, the whole market has done a complete U-turn. Stock index futures are up sharply this morning. A lot of that is going to be short covering, of course, and we'll have to see if we get fall through to the upside beyond Wednesday's trading action. Of course, I'm going to wait to see how the market closes before taking action on a lot of the symbols I follow, but it's looking pretty bullish at the moment in the pre-market on Wednesday morning. You have an interesting day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Thursday morning, and at that time we'll walk through the most actively traded stocks on both sides of the border.